Very good morning, class students. I am Jagdish from Kakatiya High School. Your math teacher. Our running topic is mensuration. So from that chapter, I am going to explain 10.3 exercise problems today. Listen. Here is a question. A cylindrical tub of radius 5 centimeters. Here one tub there. That is in the shape of a cylinder. Radius of the tub R is equal to 5 centimeters. R is equal to 5 centimeters. And the height of the tub H is equal to 9.8 centimeters. H is equal to 9.8 centimeters. It is full of water. A cylindrical tub, here one tub there. The tub is in the shape of cylinder with radius 5 centimeters and height 9.8 centimeters. A solid in the form of a right circular cone. Here one solid there in the form of a right circular cone mounted on a hemisphere. Here one solid there. So the solid, one right circular cone mounted, surmounted on a hemisphere. It is immersed into the water. It is immersed into the water. So by immersing that, what happens? Some water flows out. Some water flows out. Now we have to find volume of the water remaining in the tub. What is the question here? Here one tub there. The tub is in the shape of a cylinder with radius 5 centimeters and height 9.8 centimeters. It is full of water. One solid. It is in the form of right circular cone mounted on a hemisphere. That one immersed into the tub. By immersing that, what happens? Some water flows out. Now you have to find the volume of the water remaining in the tub. Here, volume of the water remaining in the tub. Volume of the water remaining in the tub is equal. First, volume of the tub. It is nothing but volume of cylinder. Volume of the tub is nothing but volume of cylinder. Why? Because the tub is in the shape of cylinder. Minus volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Why? Because the solid is a combination of two shapes, hemisphere and also cone. So to find the volume of the water remaining in the tub is equal volume of the cylinder minus of volume of the cone plus volume of the hemisphere. So to find the volume of the water, I need volume of cylinder and also I need volume of cone and also I need volume of hemisphere. First I am taking cylinder. Cylinder. The dimensions of cylinder, radius is equal to 5 centimeters and height is equal to 9.8 centimeters. 9.8 we can write 98 by 10 centimeters. Then volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is equal to, what is the formula? Pi r square h. Pi means 22 by 7 into r square means 98 by 10 into 98 by 10 into, what is the, radius is nothing but 5. So 5 into 98 by 10. Any calculations here? 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. Remaining 2, 28. 7 fours are 28. Then after 5 ones are 5 twos are. 2 ones are 2 11s are. So what is the remaining here? 11 into 5 into 14. 11 into 5 into 14. 11 into 14 5s are 70. 14 5s are 70 is equal 770. So value of the tub is nothing but 770. Value of the tub means before immersing that solid. Volume of the water is equal to 770 centimeter cube. Next I am going to take cone. What are the dimensions of cone? A radius r is equal to 3.5 centimeters and height of the cone is equal to 5 centimeters. Here, according to given, radius is equal to 3.5 centimeters and height is equal to 5 centimeters. And what is the radius? R is equal to 3.5. 3.5 we can write as 35 by 10. 5 2s are 5 7s are is equal to 7 by 2. So radius of cone is equal to 7 by 2. Next, volume of cone. What is the formula here? Pi r square h by 3. Pi value is 22 by 7 into r square means 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into what about height? 5 by 3. 7 gets cancelled. 2 1s are 2 11s are is equal to 11 into 7 into 5 by 3 into 2 is equal to 11 into 35 by 6. 11 5s are 55. 11 3s are 33 plus 3 38. It is 385 by 6. Next 6 6s are 36. Remaining 2 24. 6 4s are 24. Remaining 1. Take decimal. 6 1s are remaining 4 6 6 are 64.16 centimeter cube. So what is the value of the cone? 64.16 centimeter cube. Next I am going to take hemisphere. What are the dimensions? Radius of the hemisphere is equal to 3.5 centimeters. Why? Because that is a common base to cone and also hemisphere. One cone is surmounted on the hemisphere. So this is a common base. If radius of the cone is 3.5, similarly radius of hemisphere also 3.5. 3.5 we can write 35 by 10 is equal to 7 by 2 centimeters. Next, volume of hemisphere. Is equal, what is the formula? 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 by 3 into, what is the value of the pi? 22 by 7 into r cube means 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Any cancellations here? 7 and 7 gets cancelled. Thereafter 2 and 2 gets cancelled. 2 1s are 2 11s are is equal to 11 into 49 by 6. 11 into 49 by 6. So you will get 539 by 6. 539 by 6. The value of the 539 by 6 is nothing but 89.83. 89.83 centimeter cube. So value of the hemisphere 89.83 centimeter cube. Now I know the value of cylinder. I know the value of cylinder and also I know the value of cone and also I know the value of hemisphere. Now I am going to find the value of water remaining in the tub. Value of water remaining in the tub is equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Volume of cylinder minus of volume of cone plus volume of the hemisphere. What is the volume of the cylinder? 770 plus minus of, what is the value of the cone? 64.16 plus 89.83. So by adding that you get 770 minus 64.16 plus 89.83. It is 9. 153.9. So nearly it is 154. So by 770 minus 154 is equal to, after the subtraction you will get 616 centimeter cube. So the volume of the water remaining in the tub is 616 centimeter cube. So once again I am going to repeat the question. Here one tub there. The tub, it is fulfilled with water. One solid in the shape of right circular cone surmounted on a hemisphere. That one immersed into the tub. This tub, by immersing that, some water flows out. So you have to find the volume of water remaining in the tub. In the adjacent figure, for example, here one cylinder there. Solid cylinder is 10 centimeters. Height of the. So what is the height of the cylinder? H is equal to 10 centimeters. And the diameter is 7 centimeters. What is the diameter here? D is equal to 7 centimeters. Two cones. With the radius here, conical holes of radius 3 centimeters. What is the radius of the cone? R is equal to 3 centimeters and height of the cone H is equal to 4 centimeters. Removed from that cylinder. Now you have to find the remaining solid. Remember, you have to find the volume of the remaining solid. So here one cylinder there. From that cylinder, he make two holes. The shape of that holes is nothing but cone. That two holes of cone is removed. Now you have to find the volume of the remaining solid after removing two cones. Find the volume of remaining solid. Clear? Here one cylinder there. So into the cylinder he is making two holes in the shape of cone. So after removing that cone shape, so you have to find the volume of the remaining solid. Here, volume of remaining solid is equal volume of cylinder minus 2 into volume of cone. First, I am going to take cylinder. It means I am going to take cylinder portion. What are the dimensions of cylinder? Radius is equal to, diameter of cylinder is equal to 7 centimeters. If you know the diameter, you have to find the radius. Radius is half of the diameter. So R is equal to D by 2 is equal to 7 by 2 centimeters. Then after height of the cylindrical portion is 10 centimeters. Height of the cylinder is 10 centimeters. Now I need volume of cylinder. Pi R square H. Pi means 22 by 7 into. R square means 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into. Height of the cylinder is 10. 7 gets cancelled. 2 1s are 2 11s are 2 1s are 2 5s are 11 into 35 11 into 35 is equal to 385 centimeter cube. So here value of this cylinder is 385 centimeter cube. Next I need value of cone. Next I am going to take cone. What is the radius of the cone? 3 centimeters and height of the cone is 4 centimeters. Next value of cone. What is the formula? Pi R square H by 3. Value of the cone is pi R square H by 3. What is the pi? 22 by 7 into. R square means 3 into 3 into H means 4 by 3. Here 3 and 3 gets cancelled. What is the remaining? 22 into 12. By 7. 12 2s are 24. 2. 12 2s are 24. 24 plus 2 26. 264 by 7. Now 264 you have to divide in 7. 264. 7 4s are 7 3s are 21. Remaining 5 54. 7 7s are 49. Remaining 5 0.0 7 7s are 49 1 7 1s are, so it is 37.71 is equal to 37.71 centimeter cube. So here value of the cone is 37.71 centimeter cube. Now what I need here? I need value of the remaining solid. I need value of the remaining solid. Value remaining solid. Volume of remaining solid is equal to volume of the cylinder minus 2 into volume of the cone. What is the volume of the cylinder here? 385. 385 minus 2 into, why I am taking 2 into, here 2 cones are there. What is the volume of the cone? 37.71 is equal to 385 minus 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14, 2 sevens are 14 plus 1 15, 2 threes are 6 plus 1, 385 minus 75.42. So after that you will get 309.58 centimeter cube. So volume of the remaining solid is 309.58 centimeter cube. Here one cylinder there, that from that cylinder he is removing 2 cones. It means he is making holes, 2 holes like a cylinder. So here one solid is in the shape of a cylinder. To the cylinder he is making 2 holes. The holes are in the shape of a cone. So after removing the holes, you have to find the volume of the remaining solid. So to find the volume of the remaining solid, you have to find the volume of the cylinder and also volume of the cone. Here 2 cones are removed. So because of that, volume of the remaining solid is equal to volume of the cylinder minus 2 into volume of the cone. So after the calculation, what is the volume of the remaining solid? 309.58 centimeter. So 10 plus students, here is the homework. A medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with 2 hemispheres stacked to each other in ends. If the length of the cylinder part is 40 centimeters and the diameter of hemisphere is 6 centimeters, then find the volume of that solid.